In this video, I will clear some doubts that people had when I made a video on this topic. I received a ton of comments and still do. Sadly, I didn't get time to answer their queries. Now this video is about Discord and Epic Games collab, which is giving you a free 1-month Nitro. All you need to do is just download Epic Games app in your PC. Now mind you, the Mac OS version only works for people living in EU countries. Once you download the app, you need to search Discord Nitro in the search bar and click Get button. It will tell you €0. Then, after clicking the place order, you will receive an email. It could be immediately or in an hour. Now here's a twist. When you click the redeem button, it may not work for you because it didn't work for me. Turns out that the offer is only for the people living in Puerto Rico and the United States. But let's say you live in either of those countries. You need to add your payment method and make sure that you haven't had Nitro in 12 months. This excludes Orb's version of Nitro and maybe Nitro Classic or Basic. This offer will end on January 8th. If you live in those countries, make sure to snag it. Discord staff is not working at this time due to holiday season. That's why we may not get Nitro offers anytime soon. Maybe on the second week of January. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.